G'day everyone. My last video, hopefully you've seen it, if not, link up there, was about mushroom problems. And I was getting mould growing in the tubs, and there are a few reasons I think for that. First one is too much humidity. I've been running the humidifier too much and it gets really damp in there, and that encouraged the mould growth. The other one is the warmer weather, and it gets quite warm inside that tent, above what we need, the 20 to 25 degrees. And the final reason I think is airflow. A couple of my cheap Temu fans broke down, and I got another one, and the airflow from that is not particularly good. So I'm going to try and fix it. And to do so, I went to Amazon this time and bought this. This is just a little fan. It's got a nice housing on it so we can put inside the tent. And what we wanted to do is draw air out through here, because that'll be poke it inside the tent like that, keep the electronics outside the humidity. Not electronics, just electrical. Is out of the really high humidity, and that'll sit on top of the tent. Now that means we want the air to go up through here and out there. Problem is, it's actually designed to blow air out this way. So you normally mount it to be an extraction fan. So this is where you would put it, the airflow would come in here, then you pipe the exhaust out to where you want it to go, outside or whatever. But we want it the other way around. Now luckily, these unscrew. So we're going to take the protective cover off and this off, swap them over, and hopefully that means we will have air blowing out the right way. So let's give it a shot. So that should cover it. We now should have the air going in this way and out there. Simple USB powered. Just an on-off switch, no speed control. Let's go and check it out, see if it's going to work. So here we are out here. I'll plug this into the USB and we'll just check to make sure it's going in the right direction. So flick it on. Air is blowing down the bottom here, being sucked in from here, and a good airflow. Now, where am I going to put it? I've got one up here, which you may or may not be able to see. It's blowing a little bit of air out. But what I want to do is probably put it down here somewhere, so it's drawing the mist out and down along there. So I'll pop it down here. So I've just plugged in an extension cable for it. That will allow us to put it where we like. Let's turn it on, make sure it's working. And we'll get our pen and we'll just measure out in this bottom corner, so it's diagonally opposite our air intake. Remembering, I want that to be on the inside and this to be on the outside. So we're just going to cut a bit of a circle around there. So here we go. Cutting on the inside of the circle because I wanted a tightish fit. And we're just going to fold that down so we can always seal it up again. There we go. Don't even need any tape on that, I don't think. Let's turn it on. And there's a good airflow coming out there. Let's put our humidifier back on and see how it goes. Now we can see that the mist is coming in, drooping down and being extracted down here. Down there. Come on, find it. Running nicely down there. So we'll come back and check the humidity levels and see how it's looking. Hopefully that, and running the humidifier for, got it on for 6 hours, just during the hottest part of the day anyway, and not putting it on during the night, means we'll get less contamination and more mushrooms. If you want to see how it turns out, remember, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. Enjoy life. Catch you in the garden.